Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Chow the Chef, and today I want to show you something which is a bit quick and easy. You know, all of you, I'm sure you have taken a chicken at one point or the other. So today I want to show you how to clean the gizzard, the chicken gizzard, which is like this when it is not opened up. You remove the good part from the stomach part. So you see the green part. If this spill on your meat, I'm telling you, you throw it away all. So you remove it carefully, like you see me doing. This is the liver. This is the liver and this is the heart. So you set aside. So you continue to take out the rest of the liver. Yeah. So from there we have the gizzard. And we also have the kidney of the chicken. You can see, guys. So the gizzard is like what, the grinding machine of the chicken. This is the one which breaks down the food into small pieces. So I'm going to show you how to clean it quite a bit easily. So you take your knife and you cut open the gizzard. You cut open like this. So this is how it looks from the inside. It has some sandstones which help the chicken break down the food. So then you wash it, and this is hot water. Then from there you remove the inner lining, so that we are left with what is fit for consumption. So slowly and easy. So you remove the inner lining like this. You can see, guys. So make sure when you are slaughtering or butchering a chicken, you remember to cut open the gizzard so that it is fit for consumption. I hope you have noted that, guys. And just like that, our gizzard is clean and is ready to be cooked. Take the gizzard and put it in the warm water like this. Then you remove the inside part so that they can be ready for consumption, like this. So you use very little effort to pull it out like this. Like that. So now it is good to go. This is the gizzard. If you haven't seen when it's from the chicken, this is how it's look, and this is how it's look after being washed and cleaned. Yeah. So till next time, it's your boy Chow the Chef. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye.